Is your favorite app suddenly acting like your iPhone camera doesn't even exist? Don't panic, because today we're going to walk through how to fix the frustrating allow access to camera option when it mysteriously vanishes. First, let's dive into your iPhone's privacy settings. The most common culprit: open the Settings app on your iPhone, the one with the gear icon. Scroll down until you see Privacy and Security, then tap on it. In the Privacy and Security menu, look for Camera and tap on it. Here's where the magic happens. You should see a list of apps that have requested access to your camera. Make sure the toggle switch next to the app you're having trouble with is turned to green, indicating that access is allowed. If it's off, simply tap the switch to turn it on. Still no luck? Let's try resetting the app's permissions. Navigate back to the main settings menu. This time, scroll down to the very bottom where you'll find a list of all your installed apps. Listed alphabetically, find the app that's giving you camera trouble and tap on it. Look for the camera option. If the toggle is already on, try toggling it off. Wait a few seconds, and then toggle it back on again. This can sometimes kickstart the permissions. Finally, let's rule out a hardware issue. Make sure nothing is physically blocking your camera lens. Give it a gentle wipe with a clean microfiber cloth to remove any smudges or debris. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps has brought your camera access back to life. If you're still having issues, consider restarting your iPhone or contacting Apple support. Thanks for watching.